Hyundai Sonata models from 2011 to 2018 are prone to oil leaks due to design issues. The main causes are failing valve cover gaskets, leaking oil cooler lines, and timing chain cover problems. To identify a leak, check for oil spots under your car, unusual burning oil smells, and monitor oil levels regularly. Mechanics use visual inspections, smoke tests, or dye injections with UV light to find the exact source. Addressing leaks early prevents major engine damage, such as sludge buildup or engine seizure. Repairing oil leaks can range from DIY fixes to professional services. Replacing valve cover gaskets can cost $50 to $200 in parts, while oil cooler line replacements typically cost $300 to $600, including labor. In severe cases, engine rebuilds can cost $3,000 to $5,000. Hyundai recommends using OEM parts for replacements. Prevention includes regular oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles with synthetic oils. For future models, Hyundai is shifting towards hybrid and electric vehicles, which significantly reduces the risk of oil leaks. Software updates are planned for newer models to alert drivers of potential leaks. The trend towards electric vehicles and leak-proof engine designs promises to minimize future oil leak problems. However, for older models, be aware of potential parts scarcity after 2025, which might increase the need for DIY repairs.